Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm Jahid, and today we're going to talk about something that many learners forget when they think about studying English. Most students worry about grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, or listening. Of course, these skills are important, but behind all of them, there is something even more powerful. It is your psychology, your mindset, your emotions, the way you think about learning. When you understand the psychology of learning, you start to see why some people continue for many years and become fluent, while others stop after a short time. The difference is not always intelligence, memory, or natural talent. Very often, the real difference is in the mind. It is in the way you think. So, in today's episode, we will explore 7 powerful psychological keys to success in English learning. I will speak slowly and clearly, and I will give you time to think and reflect. So take a deep breath, sit comfortably, and let's begin. The first key is belief. Do you truly believe that you can learn English? Not just a small wish, but a strong belief deep inside your heart that says, yes, I can do this. I can improve. I can grow. I can reach my goal. Many learners say negative things to themselves. They say, I am too old. My memory is weak. English is too difficult. Other people are better than me. These thoughts become heavy chains. They stop you from moving forward. Belief is like the soil where a plant grows. If the soil is rich, the plant becomes strong. If the soil is poor, the plant struggles to survive. Your belief is the soil of your English journey. Even when you make mistakes, even when progress feels slow, remind yourself, I am learning, I am improving, I can do this. Take a quiet moment and say to yourself, I can learn English. I will improve step by step. Feel that strength inside you. The second key is motivation. Ask yourself, why are you learning English? What is your personal reason? Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to earn more money. Maybe you want to study abroad, travel, or pass an important exam. Or maybe you simply love the English language and want to connect with people around the world. When your reason is clear, you have energy. Even on days when you feel tired, your reason will push you forward. But if your reason is not clear, you may lose direction and give up easily. So think carefully. What is your reason? Write it down. Keep it somewhere you can see it. When you feel weak, read it again. Let it remind you why you started. The third key is patience. Many learners want fast results. They want to speak fluently in 1 month. They want to understand every movie in 2 weeks. When this does not happen, they feel disappointed. But language learning is slow. It grows like a tree. When you plant a seed, you do not see fruit the next day. You water it, you give it sunlight, you wait. After weeks and months, you begin to see growth. Your English is the same. You cannot expect fluency overnight. You must trust the process. If you continue learning little by little, your skills will grow. One day, you will look back and feel proud of how far you have come. Real learning is slow, steady, and deep. And that kind of learning stays with you for life. The fourth key is your attitude toward mistakes. Many people are afraid to speak because they are afraid of making mistakes. They think, if I speak wrong, people will laugh at me. But this fear is not helpful. Mistakes are not your enemies. Mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake shows you something new to learn. Think about a small child learning to walk. The child falls many times, but the child does not feel shame. The child simply stands up and tries again. That is why every child eventually learns to walk. You must learn English in the same way. Fall, stand up, try again. Every mistake gives you new knowledge. From today, do not fear mistakes. Welcome them. Say, "Thank you. You are helping me grow." The fifth key is the power of habits. Success in English does not come from one big effort. It comes from many small efforts repeated every day. You do not need to study for 5 hours. You can listen to English for 10 minutes while drinking tea. You can write a few sentences before sleeping. You can read a short article while traveling. Small actions, done consistently, create strong habits, and habits create success. Ask yourself, what small habit can I start today? Choose something simple. Do it every day. Over time, you will see a big difference. The sixth key is confidence. Many people think confidence means being perfect, but that is not true. Confidence means trying, even when you are not perfect. Maybe your grammar is not perfect. Maybe your vocabulary is limited. But if you try to speak, if you communicate, that is real confidence. Think of confidence like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Every time you speak English, your confidence grows. Do not wait until you feel perfect. Start now. Speak now. Try now. Each effort makes you braver and stronger. The seventh and final key is enjoyment. If you enjoy learning English, you will continue for many years. If you feel bored or stressed, you will stop. So, make English fun. Watch movies you love. Listen to songs that make you happy. Read stories that interest you. Play games in English. Talk to friends online. When you feel happy, your brain becomes open. Your memory becomes stronger. But when you feel stress and fear, learning becomes difficult. So relax, smile, enjoy the journey. English is not only about exams or jobs. It is about connection, culture, and joy. Today we talked about the psychology of English learning success. We discovered 7 keys. First, belief. Believe that you can learn. Second, motivation. Know your reason. Third, patience. Go step by step. Fourth, mistakes. See them as teachers. Fifth, habits. Take small daily actions. Sixth, confidence. Try even when you are not perfect. And seventh, enjoyment. Love the journey. These are not grammar rules. They are not vocabulary lists. They are the foundation of your success. Your mindset is the hidden power behind your progress. Take care of your mind, and your English will grow naturally. Thank you so much for watching Learn and Success. I'm Jahid, and I hope this episode gave you strength, clarity, and motivation. Until next time, keep practicing, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next video.